I will give you the facts. The facts which are bothering me, and even though I had said no first, the elders of the community told me, Noshir and Kersi, if this is the time you don't enter, then you forget BPP. We don't know what it is. I'll tell you what are the problems which the institution is facing at present. As you must be aware, Bombay Parsi Panchayat has not filed its income tax returns for the last 2 years, 31st March 14 and 31st March 15. Why have they not filed? Because auditors have sent certain queries to the management way back in August, September 2014. Till today, it is not answered by them. Now, what are the queries? Incidentally, Kalyaniwala Mystery are the auditors. I can see in this crowd 3-4 chartered accountants, so they will understand what I am meaning. A certain amount of 50 lakhs has been given to a federation by Bombay Parsi Panchayat. But in the books of the federation, that 50 lakhs is not there. On inquiry, it is found that the 50 lakhs has been deposited in some other account of the federation. Federation had 2 accounts. And the amount has been withdrawn in cash to give cash doles to Gujarat people. So, the auditors are asking for authenticity. That is number 1. Number 2, according to the auditor's management letter, there are several repairs executed above 5 lakhs, which do not have authenticity of the board, nor do they have tenders. Thirdly, an amount of rupees 70 lakhs has been shown as sale of Dharwad land. However, that Dharwad land is not the ownership of Bombay Parsi Panchayat. So auditors say, how did you put this 70 lakhs? These are the pertinent queries which are there. Now, what would happen if the return doesn't go? March 14 return, last date is 31st March 2016. On 1st April, it becomes time barred. The auditors want March 14 accounts to be signed by all the 7 trustees, given to them for audit. Subsequently, they will start the next year's audit. Otherwise, they are not going to start. If your income tax return don't go for 2 years and if it is time barred, you are on the verge of losing exemption. As you are aware, as per the Income Tax Act 1962, communal trusts were allowed to function if they were existing before 1960. Today, if you start a communal trust, you are not allowed to do that. Now, if you lose the exemption certificate, the amounts what Parsi Panchayat has received on sale of tenancy, being a landlord, is taxable, as a private landlord is taxable. And the most important liability, up to 31st March 2015, Panchayat will be liable for wealth tax. As you are aware, Panchayat is the 2nd largest property owner in Bombay after Bombay Port Trust. You just imagine what the colossal liability will be if the returns don't go and the accounts are not audited.